Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Nagbabalik DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang paraan for self-improvement. Love, improvement being the keyword ha, hindi changing who you are. Practice random acts of kindness. Ang feeling ng makatulong, mahal ko, in whatever form is uplifting sa totoo lang. And it somehow changes the way you view life. Big or small yung act of kindness na yan can change a person's mood or at most, their lives. By doing acts of kindness, you are opening yourself up sa mga taong less fortunate ang situation sa'yo. You being able to extend help on the other hand, become more thankful sa situation you are in. So imagine doing acts of kindness every day. Yung feeling ng always grateful ka and in a kinder mood. Do it in a week and you can already see improvement sa sarili mo. You'll see that you are a lot happier. You'll be more at peace. You'll be more appreciative of the things and people you have in your life right now. And just thinking about it makes you feel better already. Diba, kabisyo? So if you want to improve yourself, help improve others. Pay it forward, ika nga nila. Klaro, ikalawang paraan to improve yourself, greet everyone you meet. Like kindness, love, smiling is contagious. If you'll make smiling a habit, lalong-lalo na sa mga taong nakikita at nakakasalamuha mo, you'll feel great and your day will be a whole lot better when they smile back at you. Yung jolly attitude na yan will leave an impression sa kahit sino mang makakasalamuha mo na you are an amazing person. Gugustuhin ka makasama ng mga tao kasi optimistic ka at magaan kasama, lagi kang nagkukumahog na pagbubuksan ni Manong kasi mabait ang tingin niya sa'yo sa kada bati mo ng magandang umaga sa kanya, yung teller sa bangko na pagod, yung receptionist na maghapong nakatayo will be delighted to serve you kasi you remind them why helping became their profession. Love, it may seem too small, but your smile can brighten up someone's day. Both at the same time, yung smile mo, even if forced, can give you a hope that things will eventually get better. That fake smile can soon be accompanied by the sound of a true laughter. So gusto mong i-improve yung sarili mo? Smile. Smile, my love. It starts with your mood and then everything else will follow. Klaro? Love, aawat muna tayo sa ating biyaheng self-improvement para magbigay daan sa ating biyahe sender of the night. This one was sent to us over at my page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito ang biyahe ni Abby. Hi DJ Lala, good evening po. I need advice. I'm Abby po, not my real name. I have a boyfriend and road to 4 years na po kami. I love him so much. My concern is, I have a long-time crush. 13 years ko na po siyang crush at close friend ko siya way back our elementary days. Pero wala namang kaming communication at all. Pero kapag naaalala ko siya o nakikita ko siya, kinikilig pa rin ako at sa tingin ko, mahal ko talaga siya pero di niya ako mahal. Mahal ko din ang boyfriend ko. I always make efforts for him at alam kong mahal niya din ako based on his efforts and the way he treated me. I feel guilty because my feelings for him is not that 100% when I remember my long-time crush. Totoo ba talaga ang first love never dies, DJ Lala? I always deny my feelings for my crush when my boyfriend starts to ask about it. I don't want to hurt him because he deserves all the best. I really need your advice, DJ. How can I unlove or uncrush my crush? What should I do? I don't want to cheat on my boyfriend, but I can't forget my feelings for my longtime crush. Thank you and good evening. Hi Abby, I'll go straight to the point, my love. I don't think you love this guy. Itong sinasabi mong long-time crush mo, I don't think you love him. I believe it is nothing more than just a crush that won't vanish kasi andun yung what could have been feeling. It's like a series or Korean novela na hindi mo alam yung ending. Yung tipong hook na hook ka pero next episode niya ay next year pa. Nung dumating yung next year, abay canceled yung show. So there's no way for you to know how it ended. Yon, yung ganong feeling. Feeling ko yun lang yon. Because it is a feeling na hindi nabigyan ng hangganan, walang resolve, walang closure. But I'm telling you, Abby, hindi yan love. How can you possibly love someone you don't even know? You don't truly know. When was the last time na nagkausap kayo? Elementary days? Mga bata pa kayo nito eh. I'm sure. Ngayon, ibang tao na to. He may look like the same person, but the attitude, behavior, point of view in life, ibang-iba na to. So that's why I said, how can you possibly love someone you don't even know? Kasi you remembered him for being that boy you used to be friends with. He is now a grown man and an entire different person. Like you, madami na siyang pinagdaanan to outgrow that elementary version of himself. So do not make it more than what it is. It's just a what could have been feeling and nothing more. Kasi walang simula, wala ding dulo, di ba? And most certainly not worth more than what you have right now. Having someone you truly love with you is not just defined by the kilig factor, Abby. More of the security. Yung feeling na with him, you feel safe. With him, you can see your future. With him, you can share even your darkest side without being worried na maiwan ka kasi you feel at home. Kung yan ang nararamdaman mo sa boyfriend mo, Abby, then mahal mo siya. Mas mahal mo pa even sa batang nakilala mo nung elementary ka pa. Claro? I hope somehow that gave clarity to what you feel, Abby. There's a fine line between crush and love, and I hope I defined the meaning of true love sa'yo. Para naman maiwasan mo nang isipin na yung nararamdaman mo sa crush mo ay same lang or katimbang or katumbas ng nararamdaman mo sa boyfriend mo. Kasi ako na nagsasabi sa'yo, it's not like that. It's nothing like that. Okay? At syempre mga kabisyo, kung ikaw ay katulad ni Abby, meron ka ding problema and you wanna share it my way para makahingi ng payo, all you have to do is send it over my page DJ Lala Banderas or text me sa aking biyahe text line 0917-851-4329. Love, mukhang kailangan na nating igarahe ang ating biyahe ngayong Friday evening, pero syempre, bago natin tapusin ang ating biyahe ngayong gabi, eto na ang huling paraan to improve yourself. Know what you can offer. Kilalanin mo yung sarili mo, my love. Know the things that are great about you. Kasi yun yung mga puntong nakikita ng mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Once you see it, be proud of it and capitalize on it. Hindi ka man kasing ganda, kasing sexy, kasing gwapo, kasing yaman na mga taong nilalagay mo sa pedestal bilang idolo mo. You are enough and more than enough sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. And it's about time you see it. Appreciate what you can offer and improve on the things that you cannot. This is the most effective way to improve on yourself, knowing that you are already great as you are. And if you'll only have faith in yourself, you can be phenomenal in your own ways. Claro? Nako, sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me tonight. Sana po in-uplift ko ang inyong mga self-esteem, ang inyong self-confidence. Sana na-boost natin and somehow nakakuha ka ng tip in order to feel good about yourself. At syempre, sa mga kabisyo natin, if you liked our episode for tonight ng biyahe, you can always review yung previous episode ng ating programa sa YouTube channel ng Love Radio Manila. Punta ka lang sa playlist, then look for biyahe playlist, okay? And you can also follow me on my socials, DJ Lala Banderas on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Laika, and TikTok. Sa mga kabisyo natin, I gotta go ahead. Nakasama niyo po DJ Lala Banderas para sa aking programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night, everybody. Bye! Love you!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.